Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Simple English. I'm your host, Ricky, and today we have a very special guest, the wonderful Emma.
Hi, Ricky. It's great to be here. I'm so excited for our trip today.
Me too. Emma, traveling can be stressful if you don't know what to say, right?
Oh, definitely. The airport has its own language sometimes. But don't worry, we are here to help.
That's the spirit. Are you ready for takeoff, Emma?
Ready when you are, Captain Ricky. Let's start at the very beginning.
Imagine we just jumped out of the taxi. We are at the terminal. What's the first mission?
We need to find the check-in counter for our airline. Look at the big screens called departures.
Departures means flights leaving, right? And arrivals means flights coming in.
Exactly. Once you find your desk, you say, "Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London."
And then the agent asks for the documents. What do they say?
They say, "May I see your passport and your booking reference, please?"
Booking reference. That's the code with letters and numbers, right?
Yes. Then comes the tricky part, the luggage. They will ask, "How many bags are you checking in today?"
I always have too many. What if my bag is too heavy?
Then it is overweight. You might have to pay a fee, so be careful. They will also ask, "Do you have any carry-on bags?"
I usually have a backpack. Emma, explain the difference between a window seat and an aisle seat again.
Of course, a window seat is next to the window. An aisle seat is next to the corridor where people walk.
I prefer the aisle seat because I can stand up easily.
And I love the window seat for the view. Once you choose, they give you the boarding pass. Don't lose it.
Now we have our boarding pass. Let's go to the security check. This is where I always get nervous.
No need to be nervous, Ricky. Just follow the signs. The officer will say, "Please place your bags flat on the conveyor belt."
Conveyor belt. That's the moving floor for the bags, right?
Yes, and they will say, "Take out your laptop and any liquids." Remember, liquids must be in small bottles.
What if I forget my water bottle in my bag?
They will say, "Empty your pockets, please." You have to throw the water away or drink it fast.
I've done that before. And then we walk through the metal detector.
If it beeps, don't worry. They might say, "Step aside, please, for a quick check." It's all for safety.
Phew, security is done. Now let's go to the duty-free area.
Maybe later. First, find your departure gate. Check the screens again.
Oh no, Emma. Look at the screen. My flight says delayed. What does that mean?
Delayed means the flight is late. It's not leaving on time.
That's terrible. What if it says canceled?
If it's canceled, the flight is not going at all. You need to go to the information desk and ask, "My flight was canceled. What are my options?"
Good phrase. Let's hope it says on time or boarding.
When they start boarding, you will hear, "Flight 123 is now boarding at gate B20."
And they often call by zones, right?
Yes, we are now boarding priority passengers and zones 1 and 2. Check your boarding pass to see your zone.
We are finally on the plane. I'm looking for my seat.
If you can't find it, ask the flight attendant, "Excuse me, could you help me find my seat?"
Sure, it's 15A. Now where do I put my bag?
In the overhead compartment above your head, or under the seat in front of you.
Great. Now the pilot speaks. What does he say?
He says, "Please fasten your seatbelts and turn off your electronic devices. We are preparing for takeoff."
I love that part. Emma, I'm hungry. Can I ask for food?
Wait for the trolley. You can ask, "What are the options for the meal?" Or, "Can I have a Coke with no ice, please?"
With no ice. Important detail. We landed. Now we are in a new country. Time for immigration.
This is important. The officer will ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
I should say, I'm here for vacation, or I'm here on business.
Correct. They might also ask, "How long are you staying?"
I'm staying for 10 days. Is that okay?
Perfect. Then you go to baggage claim to pick up your suitcases.
What if my suitcase doesn't appear on the carousel?
Go to the lost and found and say, "My luggage hasn't arrived. Here is my claim tag."
Wow, Emma, we covered everything from the taxi to the destination. Now let's practice. I will say the most important words and phrases from today, and Emma will repeat them like a student.
Perfect, Ricky. I'm ready to practice my pronunciation.
Great. Let's start with the basics. Listen and repeat. Airport,
Airport,
terminal,
terminal,
check-in counter.
check-in counter.
Excellent. Now let's practice a full phrase for the counter. I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
Very good. Now documents are very important. Repeat after me. Passport,
Passport,
boarding pass.
boarding pass.
Now a phrase for your documents. Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Let's talk about bags. This is where people get confused. Repeat luggage,
Luggage,
carry-on bag.
carry-on bag.
Now the question you will hear, do you have any checked baggage?
Do you have any checked baggage?
Perfect. And if you have a preference for seats, repeat these two. Window seat,
Window seat,
aisle seat.
aisle seat.
Moving to security, this is a common phrase. Listen, empty your pockets,
Empty your pockets.
remove your shoes.
Remove your shoes.
Good. Now finding your way. Repeat departure gate.
Departure gate.
Where is my gate?
Where is my gate?
If the flight is late, we say delayed.
Delayed.
If the flight is canceled, canceled.
Canceled.
Almost there. On the plane, repeat flight attendant.
Flight attendant.
Overhead compartment.
Overhead compartment.
And when we arrive, we go to immigration.
Immigration.
And to get our bags, baggage claim.
Baggage claim.
Now, Emma, let's act like we are really there. We just arrived at the airport and we are in a hurry. We are late.
Oh no, let's go. I will repeat the important words for our friends to learn.
Quick, Emma, we need to look at that big television. That is the screen for the flight status.
Flight status.
Yes, the status shows if the plane is coming or going. Look, our flight is on time.
On time.
On time means the plane is not late. It is perfect. Thank God.
On time. Not late. Perfect.
But Emma, my bags are very heavy. I cannot carry them. I need a trolley.
Trolley.
A trolley is a small cart with wheels for your bags. Do you have a coin for the trolley?
Trolley. A cart for my bags.
I found one. Now, let's run to the check-in desk.
Check-in desk.
This is where we talk to the airline. Hello, I want to check in.
Check-in desk. Hello, I want to check in.
Oh no, Emma, look at the scale. The number is too high. My bag is overweight.
Overweight.
Yes, overweight means the bag is too heavy. It has too many clothes.
Overweight. Too heavy.
I have to open the bag. I need to move my jacket to my carry-on.
Carry-on.
The carry-on is the small bag I take inside the plane with me.
Carry-on. Small bag.
Okay, now the bag is fine. Let's go to the security check.
Security check.
Wait, stop. I have a bottle of water in my hand. I forgot. I cannot take liquids.
Liquids.
No water, no juice, no soda. Liquids are not allowed in big bottles.
Liquids. No water.
I have to throw my bottle in the bin.
Bin.
The bin is the box for trash. Goodbye, water.
Bin.
Trash box. Now let's walk through the metal detector.
Metal detector.
Take off your watch, take off your belt, put them in the tray.
Tray.
The tray is the plastic box for your things at security.
Tray. Plastic box.
Great, we passed. Now where is our gate? This airport is huge. Is it upstairs?
Upstairs.
Or is the gate downstairs?
Downstairs.
Upstairs is the floor above. Downstairs is the floor below.
Upstairs. Downstairs.
Look at the sign. It says Gate 15 is this way. We need to walk fast.
Gate 15.
The gate is the door to the airplane. Let's go.
Gate. The door to the plane.
Stop. Emma, I am looking in my backpack. I cannot find my boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
I need my boarding pass to get on the plane. Where is it?
Boarding pass. Your ticket.
Oh, wait. It is here. It was in my pocket.
Pocket.
I put my ticket in my pocket and I forgot. Silly Ricky.
Pocket. Inside your pants.
Listen, do you hear that? The lady on the speaker is talking.
Announcement.
Yes, that is an announcement. She said it is the final call.
Final call.
Final call means the plane is closing the doors. Run.
Final call. The last chance.
We made it to the door. Give the lady your passport.
Passport.
And give her your boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
Look at the plane. It is so big. Let's walk down the jet bridge.
Jet bridge.
The jet bridge is the tunnel from the gate to the plane.
Jet bridge. The tunnel.
We are inside. Find your seat. My seat is 10A.
Seat 10A.
Put your bag in the overhead bin.
Overhead bin.
The overhead bin is the closet above your head.
Overhead bin. Above my head.
Now sit down and buckle your seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
The seatbelt keeps you safe in the chair.
Seatbelt. Keep me safe.
Listen to the flight attendant. She is showing the safety rules.
Flight attendant.
She is the person who helps you on the plane.
Flight attendant. The helper.
Feel that? The plane is moving. This is the taxiing.
Taxiing.
Taxiing is when the plane drives on the ground before flying.
Taxiing. Driving on the ground.
Now the engines are loud. Takeoff.
Takeoff.
We are flying. Look at the clouds. It is beautiful.
Takeoff. We are in the sky.
I am hungry now. I will ask for a snack.
Snack.
A snack is a small food, like cookies or peanuts.
Snack. Small food.
And I want a drink.
Drink.
I will ask, can I have a drink, please?
Can I have a drink, please?
After many hours, the plane goes down. This is the landing.
Landing.
Landing is when the plane touches the ground. We arrived.
Landing. We are on the ground.
Now we walk to immigration.
Immigration.
At immigration, the officer checks your visa and your passport.
Immigration. Officer check.
Now, the last stop, the baggage claim.
Baggage claim.
Look at the carousel. It is the machine that brings the bags.
Carousel.
I see my blue suitcase. My journey is finished.
Carousel. The bag machine.
Wow, Emma, we learned so many words today.
Yes, Ricky. Airport English is fun.
To everyone at home, did you repeat the words with Emma?
Practice every day.
Thank you for watching Hello Simple English. You are great students.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Safe travels. Bye-bye.